Tech. This is a step-by-step guide on how to create a website using Claude AI tool. So if you're new on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing, sharing this tutorial to your friend, and don't forget to drop a like on this YouTube channel, on this tutorial, and that is it. So this is how I did it. I used Claude AI tool, and this is how I got Claude AI tool. First and foremost, you're going to come on Microsoft Edge, and then you're going to type in Claude AI. But before continuing, let me show you a website I created. It was this website. I created this website. Let me first open it. It was a school website, but you can also follow my directions and create any website you want, a business website, any website you want. That is the home page. That is the academics page. That is the academics page. That is O level. That is L level. We have the projects page. You can follow my directions and create any website of your choice. I also have the sports page, and then the apply now or the login page. This is how I did it. I'm going to come open Microsoft Edge. Whether you have a laptop, a mobile device, use Google Chrome. If you have an iPhone, you're going to do this. If you have an Android, do this. If you are going to, or if you have a Windows laptop, also follow my directions. Type in Claude. You have Claude.ai. And then give it some few seconds to load. Make sure that you have an active internet connection. Now, after checking right there, you're going to come where you see this, where I'm pointing. Then scroll down where we have the last pages. Now, if you have a desktop, first download for desktop the cloud application for the desktop. If you have an iOS, I mean an iPhone, a MacBook, and an iPad, download the iOS version. And if you have the Android, also download that application. Don't use a website. So after downloading it, mine it is already downloaded. It's right here, Claude.ai. Make sure that you open the application, and you're going to follow what I'm going to be directing you using the Claude application. And I used Claude application yesterday to create that. So this is how you're going to set everything up. So first of all, you're going to come. You're going to first relaunch to update. Let me first relaunch the application so that I can be able to update. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. So let us first now open Claude AI. All right. We have Claude AI. So we are going to. So it has opened. It is right here. So now we are going to set it up by downloading the skills. You're going to also add. You're going to customize it and add some connectors. You're going to come right here where you see I'm pointing, login, and then after come where you see settings. And in the settings, you're going to come and look for extensions. Make sure that you add some extensions. But right now, I've said I'm going to add some skills. Make sure that you enable all these skills. Make sure that they are enabled. Right, this is how to enable. Just make sure that you make these switches on auto skills, on this skill, on this skill, on this skill, on this, on this, on this, on all skills. And even the plugins, make sure that you have all the plugins. Make sure that you have all the plugins enabled. After, make sure that you have also the connectors, like you can also connect some Canva, and that is it. So this is how I did it. First and foremost, I had Microsoft Expression Web 4. And if you don't know how to get it, I'll pin a tutorial on how you can get Microsoft Expression Web 4. And I created a website using Expression Web 4, and I will also pin a tutorial on how to create a website using Expression Web 4 as a video card. So this is the website I created, and it is the website I transformed from that website to this website. I transformed it to this website using Claude. So it was this to this. Now you're going to first watch the tutorial on how to create a website using Web 4, and then after come and continue with me. Then after, you're going to come, after learning on how to create, you're going to come and open Claude application, and this is the website I redesigned. It was this one. So this is how I prompt each and everything. It is right here. So I came right here where you see the plus button. I added files or photos, and I went to the desktop because my files were at the desktop, and I chose that website. It was this website. And then I pressed Ctrl A to select all those files, and then I opened. Then the message I put right here, it was like this. They call it a prompt. That's the website I created. That's the website I created, but it looks so unprofessional. Give it the best professional look with best animations and colors that are eye-catching and attractive. Spice it like a pro because you're a pro. That is the only thing I typed, and they created me a website. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this tutorial to a friend, and that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I sign out.